Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
Okay, so hope you have installed Pycharm, right?
Right, give me a second. Pycharm, I actually did that. Yeah, I have Community Edition.
Yes. So you can just
Right.
open that. So I will let you know how we can set up the project in Pycharm. It's
Okay,
very simple. So it's not that much things.
okay.
Okay, so once you start Pycharm, okay, so you will be getting this screen. Okay, and then you can just say create new project, and then over here you can select the folder. Okay, so let me select uh, our daily folder. So let me create one folder here, like day underscore 4. Today is 9th July, right? 9th July 2020. So I have created some folder here. Okay, and then we need to select the interpreter. Okay, so forget about this virtual environment. I will tell about this later. So this one, existing interpreter, you need to select, and then by default, this one, if it is populated, then no issues. If it is not populated, what you can do is you can just select these three dots, and then you can go to system interpreter. So over there, you can select whatever interpreter that you are getting, that you can select it, and then you can say OK. All right, then it will be populated over here. So once the interpreter is populated, okay, then you can start creating it.
No, no, I'm good.
Yeah, so Akhilesh, let me mute yourself. Let me mute yourself, Akhilesh. Uh, yeah, thank you, Akhilesh. Okay, so now you can see it is created. Okay, it is created. So now if I want to create a Python file, what you have to do is you have to right click on this particular folder, and then you have to say new Python file. Okay, so like this you need to create it, and then you can just give the file name. So we are going to see list today. Okay, list data structure, and then say OK. So you can see it will be populated like this. All right, and then what you can do, you can write set of statements that needs to be executed. So let's write list data structure. Okay, now if you want to execute, there are two different ways of executing the script. First one, you can say run menu, and then you can select run. Okay, from run menu you can select run, and then over here you can select whatever script that you have to execute. You can select this. Now you can see the output over here, okay, in the console. All right, so this is one way of executing the script in Pycharm. Other way is you can go to terminal window. So if the terminal window is not popped up, you can just say view tool windows, and then you can say terminal. Okay, view menu, tool windows, and then you can say terminal. All right, now you can see that. So it's nothing but command prompt, nothing else. It's command prompt basically. Okay, so over there you can just say Python list data structure .py. So you can see it is getting executed. Okay, so this is how we need to execute the scripts in Python. I am going to execute it only in terminal going forward.
Okay.
Right? Any doubts, Akhilesh?
Yeah. So basically, this is Um, Pycharm. What is the purpose of Pycharm in
So,
layman's term?
so basically, it's an IDE, Intelligent Development Environment.
Okay,
So basically,
ID.
right. So the thing is, if you make any mistakes, it will then and there it will show you. See, for example,
Okay.
consider I have just given. Okay, I didn't give the parenthesis over here. Now you can see the
Right.
red
Right.
mark. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so it will
Okay.
show the errors. And for example, if you just say any string, okay, str, okay, and then if you just press dot, you can see what are all the possible methods. Okay, so everything will be displayed. Okay, clear?
Yeah. Yeah. Mohan. Got it.
Yeah. Okay. So so this is how you can create a project in Pycharm and you can execute the script in Pycharm. Okay. So now let's start with the list. Shall we start, Akhilesh? Or you said right?
Yeah. 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 Please go ahead.
Okay.
So
So
do you,
what is yeah?
sorry, Mohan, I'm not creating anything with you. I should I let me do this, then I let me also create a new project and
Yeah,
then
sure,
do
sure,
that.
sure, sure, sure.
So in the location, let me share my screen because I actually
Yeah, yeah.
didn't
One second.
do. I was just
I
seeing your,
will make you as the host. One second.
yeah.
Sorry, make you as a presenter. Then you can share your. Yes, you can share your screen.
I've shared it. Let me know when you can see my screen, Mohan.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So over here, PyCharm, any new environment I have to change? Anything? Virtual environment?
No, no, no. Go to existing interpreter.
Existing
Existing
interpreter.
interpreter.
No interpreter.
Second,
Yes.
second option. Second option. Uh,
Yeah.
that radio button and select the three dots. Three dots. Browse
Okay.
file. Yeah, and then select system interpreter.
Okay.
Now you
And
can
this is
see interpreter is
next.
getting populated, right? Now say
Yeah. Yeah.
OK. Now say OK, and then say create now. Create, create.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So now this is my workspace that has been created.
Yes. 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 Say close,
Then should
and
I
then
start a new?
no, 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 no. One second. One second. No,
Okay.
no, no, no. Come down. Come down. Come down. Yeah. So click on untitled.
Untitled.
Click on
Okay.
untitled. Right click untitled.
Right.
Right click
Right.
untitled. New Python file.
New
Python file.
Python.
Down, down, down. Yeah, yeah. And then again you do it. It has gone. It has gone actually. Again you do it.
Discovering binary modules. This is
No,
not
no,
the
no,
one,
no.
right?
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. No, 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 no. Again you do it. That has disappeared.
And why is it
Right
so?
click. No, no. The thing is, you have
It
clicked
is.
outside. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Got
yeah.
it. Got it. Got it.
Just give list data structure.
Mm, okay.
List underscore data underscore structure. Okay. Enter. Yes. Okay. So it is created, right? So now just write some simple statement in Python, like print statement, print hello world, like that.
Can we change it its background,
Yeah.
Mohan?
So go to file menu,
File
file menu, settings,
file
file
menu
menu
settings
settings. Yeah.
appearance.
And go to appearance. Yeah. Theme on the top. Darkula is there, right? Yeah. Change it to Intel IJ. Yeah. Just say apply and then say okay. No, no, no. Apply. Down, down, down. Yeah. Apply and
Okay.
then say okay.
Okay. So
Yeah. Yeah.
here this is my file actual, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
File
Yes.
space.
Yes.
If I
So
write
now just
anything,
write some simple statement. Yeah. Simple statement. Hello world.
mm,
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And then now it is not required to close it. Yeah. Now it is this one. Yes. Yes. Correct. Correct. Exactly. So now select run menu, from run menu, and then click on run. Okay, select list data structure.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
now
this
you
is
can
how.
see the output, right? Now you can see the output,
Okay. Okay.
right?
Okay.
So this
Okay.
is one way of executing the script. Other
Okay.
way is just click on terminal. In the bottom, you can see 4 tabs: Python console, terminal, run, to do, right? Click on terminal, or else
Mm,
go to view menu. Yeah, that's
go
right. Yes.
to terminal.
So over there, just say Python,
Mm-hmm.
space file name. That is list data structure space file name. Just press tab. Just press tab.
Okay.
Just press tab. Yeah. Enter.
So it has
Yeah.
print.
Now you can see
So
the output, right?
yeah, correct. And Mohan, so does it mean my Python.exe path has already, I mean, it has taken this Python command automatically, or is it like my
Yes.
Python.exe? Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
okay.
Yes. That is your Python.exe.
Okay, got it. Got it.
Okay. Yeah. So
Okay.
you can stop sharing your screen now.
Yeah.
So let me share my screen. Okay. So now we are going to start with list data structure. Okay. So list is nothing but it's a collection of values. Okay. It's a collection of values which belongs to any data type.
And sorry
Okay.
to stop you, Mohan.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
just
Tell
had one
me.
question. So the recordings
Yeah.
that you are sharing with us, it
Yes.
is having the desktop visual also, right? Or is it just the sound, your voice is there?
No,
I
it
mean
will
the
be having
recording.
both video and audio.
Ah, okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't see that. So
Oh,
out of
okay. Fine. Fine.
curiosity,
No
I
issues.
asked.
No issues. Yeah. So actually, like whatever you are seeing on the screen, right? Everything will be there. Okay.
Okay, Mohan.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now, so list is nothing but it's a collection of values which belongs to any data type. Okay. And it is represented. Okay. It is represented within pair of square brackets. All right. So now let's see how we can define the list. Okay. Defining list. So if I want to define a list, there are several ways. Okay, so let's see one by one. The first one, what we are going to do is we are going to define empty list. Okay, how we can define the empty list? So I can say num list is equal to just pair of square brackets. Okay, so this will create the empty list now. Okay, so I can write so print num list and then type of num list. Okay, and also I can say num list is equal to list open parenthesis and then close parenthesis. This is like creating the object which belongs to class list. Okay, so now if I just print that particular value, this will also print the null list, that is empty list. Okay, so these are two different ways where we can create empty list. Okay, that is empty pair of square brackets, and then we can say list open parenthesis and then close parenthesis. Okay, and then we can use concatenation operator, that is plus operator, in order to create a list. That is, I can say num list is equal to list of range of 1 comma 6, okay, plus list of range of 10 comma 5 comma minus 1. So yesterday we discussed, right, range function. Okay, so basically what is range of 1 comma 6? So if I say range of 1 comma 6, it will be having the value like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. That is range of 1 comma 6. Okay, and then if I say range of 10 comma 5 comma minus 1, this will be having the values 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay, now if I do concatenation, that is 1 plus 2, that is sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. What will happen is both the list will be concatenated. Okay, so now if I print num list, okay, if I print num list, you can see the output like this. Okay, you can see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So we have just concatenated these two lists. All right, and also we can create a list using star operator, that is repetition operator. What is that repetition operator? Star, right? So I can write rep underscore list is equal to list of range of 1 comma 6 comma 2, and then I'm saying 1 colon into 3. So what will happen here? Okay, what will be printed? So now let's see. Now let's see. Okay, I can say list of range of 1 comma 6 comma 2. What is the value of this? It's nothing but 1, then 3, then 5, right? That is, first it will print 1, then 1 plus 2, it is 3, then 3 plus 2, it is 5. All right, and then if I do slicing on top of it, okay, that means what? We are saying 1 comma 3 comma 5, on top of it I am performing 1 colon, that is, I am slicing it starting from first index. What is first index here? 3. End index is not specified, so it takes the complete from there, right? So it will be 3 comma 5. Okay, it is 3 comma 5. And then if I do this one,
Sorry, Mohan,
yeah,
can
yeah,
I just
yeah,
stop you for a second? I didn't understand that. First of all, the list function, you have
see,
declared
list is
num
a class.
underscore list. Sorry.
List is a class, actually. List is a
Okay, list
class.
is a class. Then if
Yeah,
list is a class, then you have written num underscore list equals to list parenthesis in the 12th row.
yeah.
So what does it mean? List is a function, right? Which is
No,
going
no,
to
no, no.
return. Okay.
See, whenever I say
Hmm.
num list is equal to pair of empty square brackets,
Right.
this is nothing but class list.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so
Hmm.
we can create the empty list either by giving the empty pair of square brackets,
Hmm.
or I can
Or
just create the object which
okay.
belongs to class list. I
Okay.
can
Okay.
just assign that class to some variable that will
Okay.
also create the empty list.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
So when you,
clear?
yeah, got it, Mohan. So when you wrote this list and range 1 comma 6 in
Yeah,
20th row, that means you
yeah,
have created a list of
yes,
1 to
two
till 6, 2, 3,
till
4,
5,
5
till 5, 5.
till 5.
Yeah,
Yeah, so that means it has created a list of 5 1 to 5.
yeah, 1 to 5.
Um, okay.
Got
Similarly,
it?
list range. Okay, so though two lists now you have concatenated. Okay, got it.
Yes.
Then the next one, what you did?
Then what here we have done is, what is
Yeah.
list of range of 1 comma 6 comma 2? That is,
Okay, that
1
is
is a
one.
stopped.
Yeah,
Yeah,
1, 3, and
ah,
then 5.
yes,
Yeah.
got it right.
Then yeah, I got it. So list range 1 comma 6 comma 2, I got it. But what does it mean? This parenthesis then?
Which one?
I mean, on the 29th row, how should I read this?
Yeah, see, second thing is I am talking about this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So list of range of 1 comma 6 comma 2 and then 1 colon. What is this 1 colon? It's a slicing, right?
One colon was slicing. What
Remember in
but
string,
start and end and
start index
three.
and then end index.
Oh yeah, yeah, I remember. Okay, okay. But it was for a
Okay.
string, right? Or
Yeah. So it will be applicable for string, list, tuple.
okay, 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 okay.
I
Got it.
mentioned that, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You mentioned. Sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So you have done
Clear?
slicing here.
Yes.
So start index is 1 till
Hmm.
the end of the list ranges. That means 1, 3, 5. So till 5,
No, 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 no.
till third step, third
One
index.
second, one second. One second. I will explain. I will explain. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is clear for you, right?
Yes, this is clear.
Okay. Now on top of it, I am applying slicing. That is starting from index 1 till
Okay.
the end. Okay.
Till the end,
So that
matlab
is
third index.
one till the end of the list.
Okay, till the end of the list.
Till the end of the list. So whatever uh, the last element is, till the end of the list. That is till 5.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. End index
Understood.
is maximum.
Okay,
Okay. So
okay.
okay, right? Clear? Now what I am doing here is 1 comma 3 comma 5. Okay, and then I am applying 1 colon on top of it. So
Yes.
I am going to retrieve the index, that is the elements starting from index 1 till the last element. So what is index 1 here in this? 3.
0 and 1, 3.
3. So from 3 I am retrieving the rest of the elements, that is 3 comma 5.
Okay, okay. Got it, got it.
Got it, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
Mohan.
And then what I am doing now, and then I'm just saying into 3. That is, I'm saying 3 comma 5 into 3. What does this mean?
Uh, Wait.
Repetition operator.
Yes, yes.
Right?
Repetition 3 times.
So I'm going to get the list like this:
3
3
comma
comma
5.
5, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 5. Okay, so look at this now:
Okay.
3 comma 5, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 5. Got it?
Yes, but Mohan, tell me one thing. So if I print this list,
Hmm.
okay, you have assigned it. Okay, got it. Got it. No, no, I got it. Mohan, please go
Got
ahead.
it, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So try it out, please. Try it out. Then we will see methods in list.
Yes. Let me do that. Give me
So
a
let me know
second.
once it is done. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Mm, Change history. So no need to save, right? Just go into terminal and
Yeah, 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 yeah.
mm,
It will automatically save.
okay. Think I didn't get it or what? Got my results, Mohan.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now let's see the membership operator. Okay. So before that,
Okay.
let me create one more list here. That is, we can hard code the values. Okay. That is, I can just write SCR list is equal to, I can simply write PHP, Perl, and then Python. Okay, like this. So we can just create some list like this. Okay. So SCR list and then type of SCR list. So this will be having the values like this: PHP, Perl, Python. Okay. So now let's use membership operator, and then we will see how we can modify the list. So use of membership operator. So it is used to check whether a particular element is present in the list or not. Okay. For example, I want to check whether Python is present in the list or not. Okay, present in SCR list or not. So
N
how
is the
can I check
membership
this?
operator, right? N is the membership
In
operator.
is the membership operator. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, so I can write Python in SCR list. Okay, so it will check the entire element. I can't give the part of the element. Okay, so I have to give the entire element basically. So now you can see Python in SCR list. So it will be true. Okay, so look at this. Is Python present in SCR list? Yes, it is present. True. Okay, so like this we can check the membership operator. All right, so now
Okay.
let's see. So, okay, so take it down and then we'll see one by one. Okay,
Okay.
take it down.
And what about if I say only P?
It will not be. It will, because P is not the element,
Okay.
right? It is part
Yeah.
of some other element.
It is returning Python. Okay, false. It is returning for me. So it will return a boolean, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, got it. It's
Okay,
running.
yeah. So now we are going to see how we can modify the elements in the list.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm going to see how we can modify the existing elements, because list is mutable. Mutable means elements can be added, removed, and deleted. Okay, I
Okay.
can write list is mutable. That means elements can be added, deleted, or removed. Sorry, deleted or modified. Okay, so modifying the existing element. So what we can do is, if I want to modify, so first let me print. Before modify, let me print SCR list. Okay, so what is the value here? We have PHP, Perl, Python. Now,
Correct.
if I want to add Python, that is, if I want to modify the first element to Python, okay, so I can just simply write SCR list of 0 is equal to Python, because this is index 0, right? This is index
Right.
0, right? So I can just say SCR list of 0 is equal to Python. This is how you can modify only one element. Okay, modify one is nothing but SCR list. So now you can see it will be impacted. Now you can see here Python, Perl, Python. The first element has been modified from PHP to Python. Clear?
Mhm. Yeah. So
Now
similar
if I,
thing.
yeah,
Sorry,
tell me.
sorry, Mohan. So if
Yeah,
we do it with string, it is
hmm
not mutable or mutable because index also comes in string also, right? If suppose I
String
write
is
Python.
immutable, right? So string is immutable, no? We can't
Yeah,
modify. We
yeah.
can't modify.
Can you see that quickly? Like
Yeah.
if you can
See,
declare a
for
string and
example, if I say Python, okay, so I
uh,
can say string is equal to Python.
right,
All right. Now, if I
and
say
then
string of 0
string zero
equal
equal
to
to
capital P,
hmm.
okay, now you can see error.
Okay, okay, okay.
str object doesn't support item assign.
Got it, Mohan. Please go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. Clear?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 3D99 plan and grow your skills immensely.
So now if I want to modify more than one element, so here we have modified only one element actually, right?
Right.
If I want to modify these two elements,
Right.
okay, so what we can do is I can just write SCR list of 1:3. What is SCR list of 1:3? That is index, it will take index 1 and 2, right?
Okay.
Whenever I say 1:3, it will take index 1 and 2. So now what we can do is I can just give something like this, like shell and then Perl, right? Like this. So now what will happen? Those two indexes will be modified. So now if I say modify 2 and then if I say SCR list, now you can see the output. Index 1 has been modified to shell. Index 2 has been modified to Perl. Okay, you can see here.
Okay.
All right.
But
So this is
but you had
how.
given but you had given 1:3. So 1 is the second index.
Yes.
0, 1,
Yes.
2.
Yes.
So this index for this list is 0, 1, 2 indexes.
Yes.
But when
Yes.
you have given 1:3, that means 1 is the
Second
index
element.
of the list from where it
Yes.
is going to start, and the
Yes.
third 3 is the
End
um,
index.
end index. No, but 3 is not the end index in the SCR list, but it is the third, I mean, basically n minus 1, right? Index of the
Yes.
SCR
Yes.
list.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
So 3
Got
minus
it.
1 is 2,
Yeah.
right? So 1 and 2 will be modified.
And if I would have done 2:3, then only the second.
Only one. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Okay,
Only the
okay,
second index will be modified.
okay. Got it.
Okay.
Please
Yeah.
go ahead, Mohan. Yeah.
Yeah. Take it down. Take it down.
Okay, let
Yeah.
me.
Take this down and then we'll see how we can add the elements.
So, Mohan,
Hmm.
I had actually declared SCR list for 4 indexes 0, 1, 2,
Okay.
3. And when I did 2 SCR list 2:3,
Mm-hmm.
so my second index got changed 0, 1,
Okay.
2, second
Okay.
index, and third index also got changed.
No, it will not happen.
I'll show you. I'll share my screen with you.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Yeah. Share your screen now.
give me a second. You can see my screen now.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is what I had done. So my string is Akhilesh Dev Python
Because
Python.
you have given two values, right?
Huh. Yeah.
If you give two values, it will change. Okay. That is, the thing is, third index is Python, right? Right now.
Yes.
Yeah, Python will not be changed. It will be pushed to the next index if you see the result.
Yeah. Okay, okay. It is not changed. It is
Yeah, it is
pushed.
not changed actually, right? It is pushed because you have given one index to change, that is one index to modify, but you have given two values. So it will take both the values and
Uh-huh.
only one index will be modified. Now you can see only one Python in the output list, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a thing.
Okay, okay. So it has
Okay?
it automatically absorbs things, right? It
Yes,
is not
yes,
because of the 3 that has come
exactly.
there.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, got it.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So next one, let's see how we can add the elements to the list. Okay. So adding the elements to the list can be done via three functions. First one, we have append method. Append always adds the element to the end of the list. Okay, append always adds the element to the end of the list. So I can write scr list dot append, and then I can give some element like PHP. Okay, so now what we can do here is, let's say after append, if I print scr list, now you can see at the end PHP will be added. Okay, before there was only 3 elements: Python, shell, Perl.
Right,
Okay,
right.
now PHP has been added at the end of the list.
Okay.
This is called append.
Yeah.
Next method is insert. That is, it adds the given element to the given index. Okay, that is, I can mention first, that is, I can give 2 parameters to insert. First parameter is index. I can say 2. I want to insert the element to second index. So what is the element in second index now? Perl. Right, now I am going to insert Python now. So now it will not replace the existing index. That is, the existing element will be shifted one position towards the right. Okay, Perl will move to index 3 and PHP will move to index 4. Okay, so now you can see after insert, you can see here scr list. That is, index 2 now has Python and the existing elements have shifted one position towards the right. Okay, that is called insert. I can mention the index where it has to be inserted. And third method is extend. That is, it adds more than one element to the end of the list. Now consider I have an element like this. Let's say other is equal to Python, shell, and again PHP. Okay, I have some other list. Now I want to add all these elements to the end of the list. Now what can I do is, I can just say scr list dot extend of other. Okay, now what will happen? Each and every element from other list will be added to the end of the list. Okay, so look at this: Python, shell, PHP. All 3 elements have been added. Now consider I'm saying scr list dot append of other.
Yes.
Append is also adding the end, adding to the end of the list, right? So now what will happen in this case? Append will always add only one element. Whatever element that you are passing, that will be added to the end of the list. So that is, it will add the entire list as the single element. But extend, it goes through each and every element and it adds individually.
Okay.
So these are the methods wherein you can add the elements to the list. Okay, take it down.
Done, Mohan. Done from my end.
Done, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So next, let's see how we can remove the elements from the list. Okay, let's see how we can remove the elements from the list. So first one, we are going to see pop method. So pop, when no parameter is passed, that is when no index is nothing but parameter. Okay, it removes the last element. Okay, when index is passed, okay, it removes the element which is present in that particular index, okay. So I can write str list dot pop, and it returns the element which is being removed, okay. So now if I print element removed is elem removed, and I can say after pop 1 I can see str list. So here I am not passing any parameter, okay. In this case what happens, it removes the last element by default, okay. Look at this, this is the last element, right? The entire list is the last element, okay. So that is being removed. Now there is no last element there. And similarly, if I pass, okay, if I pass the parameter, so parameter is nothing but index, so I can say pop of 3, okay, pop of 3. So it removes the 4th element in the list, okay. So now let's see, let me copy these 2 lines. After pop 2, now you can see what is the 4th element here, Perl, right? So now Perl will be removed, you can see here. Now there is no Perl between Python and PHP, okay. This is nothing but pop. Either it removes the last element or it removes the element which is present in the index,
Okay.
okay, clear. And next one is we have something called remove method, okay. We have something called remove method. So I have to provide the element that has to be removed, okay. Str list dot remove of Python. So if there are multiple occurrences of Python is present, it removes the first occurrence of that particular value, okay. So now if I do this after remove, let's say str list, so now you can see the output, the first occurrence has been removed. Now it is starting with shell, okay, that is nothing but remove. So if I want to remove more than one elements, let's say I want to remove PHP Python, okay, I want to remove these 2 elements or these 3 elements I want to remove, okay. So what we can do is we can use del function, that is I can write del str list of 2:4. What is 2? PHP. 2:4 means index 2 and 3, right? So PHP and Python will be removed, okay. So now if you see after del, I can just write str list, so you can see the output now. PHP and Python has been removed, okay. So if I want to remove all the elements in the list, I have 2 different ways, okay. Either I can say, that is clear the list, okay. Either I can say str list dot clear, or I can say del str list of colon, okay. So now you can see after clear, now you will be having the empty square bracket, there is no element in the list. Clear, Akhilesh?
Yeah, Mohan. Mohan, can we also do like when you removed one, you have used a remove function.
Mm.
Then can we also remove all occurrence of Python or 2
We can
occurrence?
remove. For that, what you have to do is you have to write a loop.
Okay, loop.
Oh yeah, there is no single method for that.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so until this particular element is present, you have
Yeah,
to
yeah,
loop.
in
Yeah,
we have
yeah,
to.
yes, yes,
Got it.
yes. Okay, yeah. Okay, take it down, and then we'll see tuple.
Okay, okay. Yeah, Mohan, please go ahead. I done.
Yeah. Okay, so now let's see tuple data structure. So tuple is nothing but it's a collection of values which belongs to any data type. Okay, and it is nothing but constant list. Okay, that is once the tuple is defined, I can't change it. Okay, so let me just copy this. So till this it is same, there is no change in it. Okay, so I'm just say list to tuple. Okay, so what is tuple? That is constant list. That's nothing but tuple. If you don't want the list of values should not be changed. Okay, if you don't want it should not be changed. Okay, then you can define tuple instead of a list. All right, so this will be represented within pair of parentheses. Okay, you can't use square brackets like this. It has to be represented within pair of parentheses like this. All right, and here also the same thing. And the slicing remains same. Okay, slicing should be represented in the form of square brackets only. You should not change it. Okay, only the tuple should be changed within parentheses. That has to be changed from parentheses to square brackets to parentheses. And also membership operator works in the same way. That is, it will check for the existence of a particular value. So now if I execute this, you can see here everything is same, but the values will be enclosed within the pair of parentheses. So what is tuple? So that is, tuple is immutable like string. It is an immutable object. That is, elements cannot be modified, added and deleted. Okay, so now consider I'm just providing like this. There is SCR tuple of 0 is equal to Python. I'm trying to change the first element, okay, in SCR tuple. So now I will get a error saying tuple object doesn't support item assignment. Got it, Akhilesh?
Yeah, Mohan. Got it.
Yeah, this is called tuple. Yeah, take it down.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
take it down. Then we'll see dictionary.
Yeah, done, Mohan. Done.
Then right, okay. So next we are going to see dictionary data structure. Okay. So dictionary is nothing but key value pair. So which will be enclosed in pair of curly braces. So dictionary is nothing but it's a key value pair. It is enclosed in pair of curly braces and key should be unique within the dictionary. Okay. So let me create a dictionary. So within pair of curly braces, I can have key like name, colon, okay, Justin. I can give it in this format also. That is in order to make it easily understandable. Okay, that is one key value or key value pair per line. Okay, so and then I can say location Bangalore. Then I can say salary 5,000 like this. Okay, so now this name, location, and salary are keys. Key should be unique within the dictionary. And then these are values. For name, Justin is the value, and location, Bangalore is the value. For salary, 5,000 is the value. And then both the values, that is both key and values, will be separated by colon. All right. So now if I print this, okay, if I print this, I can just say like employee and then type of EMP. So now you can see the output. So Python dictionary data structure, you can see name is Justin, location is Bangalore, salary is 5,000. So over here, we don't have indexes like 0, 1, 2 like that. Keys are acting as a indexes. So if I want to access a particular value, okay, let's say I want to access name, all right. So I can just give name is nothing but EMP of name, okay, EMP of name. So now this will print the name. Name is Justin. All right, name is Justin. So like this, we can access any key value pair. Clear? For example, how we can use the membership operator, that is use of membership operator. Use of membership operator. That is with respect to string, it was checking substring. With respect to list and tuple, it was checking the element. With respect to dictionary, it will check for the existence of keys, whether key is present in dictionary or not. For example, I want to know whether is key name exists in EMP. I want to know. Okay, so I can write name, that is the key in EMP. If key name is present in employee dictionary, it will return true. Otherwise, it returns false. Okay, so now you can see, is key name exist in employee? Yes, it is exist. So you can see the output as true. Clear, Akhilesh?
Yeah, Mohan. And can we
Yeah.
also return the value of that? I mean, can in through in we can check for the value also because we are checking on the
We can
key.
check. We can check. That is,
Okay.
if you want to check the values, okay. So
Mm-hmm.
let's say, like I want to check whether Bangalore is part of employee dictionary, but doesn't mean about the keys and all. Okay, so I just want to know whether Bangalore is part of employee. Okay, so for that, what you can do is value Bangalore exists in EMP. Okay, I can write BLR in EMP dot values. You have to give this EMP dot values. Only then it will check true. Got it? Otherwise, it will not check. You have to say
Okay.
Bangalore
Mhm.
in employee dot values.
Okay. So key
Okay.
and values both
Yes.
are there in the employee
Yes. Yes.
record.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
got it.
Okay. Yeah. Take it down, and then we'll see how we can add the key value pair, delete the key value pair. And all. Okay.
Yeah, Mohan, it's done. Yeah.
Okay. Now let's see how we can add. Okay. For addition and modification, it's the same syntax. Okay. For add and modify the key value pair, it's the same syntax. That is, I can say employee of salary is equal to 7,000 and employee of team is equal to testing. That is, if key is exist, it will modify the value. If the key is not exist, it will add the key value pair. Okay, so now I can say after add or modify, you can see the output. Now you can see salary has been updated to 7,000 and team has been added with testing. So this can be done using update method also. There is something called update method. Okay, consider I have other dictionary which has key value pair like this. There is sal is 9,000 and then project is telecom or healthcare, let's say. Okay, healthcare. All right. So now if I want to perform add or modify based on this particular dictionary, what can I do is I can say emp dot update of other. Okay, emp dot update of other. So it will take the key value pairs from this other dictionary and it will make the necessary changes in this employee dictionary. So now if I execute it, you can say after update, it is emp. Okay, now you can see the value, that is salary has been updated with 9,000 and project has been added with healthcare. Okay, now if I want to remove, okay, if I want to remove the key value pair, okay, if I want to remove the key value pair, I have to say that is removed value is equal to employee dot pop method. Okay, we have to use pop method, but in this case I need to pass the key that has to be removed. Okay, which key has to be removed, that has to be mentioned over here. All right, so now if I execute, removed value is rem underscore value and then I can write after pop it is emp. Okay, so it will returns the value of the particular key. Okay, and then now you can see salary has been removed and it has returned 9,000 and now you can't see salary in this. Okay, and similarly if you want to remove multiple keys, then you can use del function. Okay, that is I can say del. Okay, del I can write emp of location and emp of team. Okay, like this I can give. So now you can see after del, you can just check it out, emp. So you can't see this particular key value pair. You can see now only name and project or person. Okay, clear? Yeah, take it down. Akhilesh, any doubts so far?
No, Mohan, it's going good. Yeah.
No, right? Yeah. Take it down.
Yeah, Mohan, it's done.
Done, right? Okay. So now consider you have received the dictionary from external source. Okay, some external function called like that. So if you want to get to know, that is, if you retrieve dynamic dictionary, right, you will not be knowing the key value pairs and all, right? So what we can do is we can iterate through the dictionary. Okay, for example, if I iterate through the dictionary, let's say for element in emp and then print element. Okay, whenever you iterate through the dictionary, what will happen? It will just print the keys. Only keys it will be printed. See here, name and project. Okay, so if I have the keys, I can easily retrieve the value, right? So I can just say emp of elem. Correct? So whenever I say employee of key, that will provide the appropriate value. That is, name is Justin, project is healthcare. All right, and this is one way of retrieving the key value. The other way is we can use keys method. There is method called keys.
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 3D99 plan and grow your skills immensely.
I can
Wait,
say for,
Mohan.
yeah, yeah,
So you have written for elem in EMP, and EMP we
yeah.
have a record. So that means elem is going to take the key value of EMP, or elem is going to take the value of any
See,
of the
it will
key,
take only the keys.
only the keys.
Yeah, see
Okay,
here, it will take only the key.
okay, okay.
Here, name project.
Name and
It will take
project. Okay,
only, it will not take the
and then
values.
yeah, and then when you did the print
When I do this EMP of ELEM,
ALM, okay, then it will
yeah,
give you
it
the
will
value.
print the value.
Okay,
Okay, like
got
this.
it,
Name is
got
project health. Right. So similarly, I can use for LM in employee.keys. Okay. So this will give the same thing. Whenever I say LM, it will just print only the key. Okay. If I want to print the value, I can just say EMP of ELEM. Both are same. There is no difference in it. Okay. Both are same. All right. Now, if I want to retrieve only the values, okay, I can say for lm in emp dot values. So in this case, this will retrieve only the values, not the keys. You can see here only Justin and then healthcare. Got it? Whenever you say emp dot values, it
okay,
retrieves only the values. I can't retrieve the key from this particular value. Okay, so if you have the key, you can retrieve the value. But if you have the value, you can't retrieve the key. Got it?
okay, got it.
Yeah. So now we have something called items method. So what is the purpose of
But
items?
Mohan, this
Yeah.
LM is not having the record structure, right? It is going to have, it will override the previous value, LM.
No, this is just a variable, iterative variable.
Yeah. So suppose the first iteration when it will run for loop,
Mm.
it will
Mm.
take the value Justin, and the next
Yeah.
iteration it will take the other value. It will override
Other
the
value.
previous value.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes. It will override it. It will override.
Okay.
Okay. So this is nothing but iterative variable. That is whatever value which is present in that particular iteration, that will be taken. Okay. So
Okay. Got it.
basically, got it right? Okay. So now if I say for item in employee dot items, okay, so print item. So now items method display key value pair in the form of tuple. Okay, so far we were retrieving only one value, that is either key or value, right? Okay, so now you can see item will retrieve both key value pair. See here, index 0 is a key and
Right.
index 1 is a value.
Okay.
That is the
Okay.
advantage of items method.
Got it.
Okay, that is the advantage of items method. All right, now if I want to delete all the elements, okay, that is if we want to clear the dictionary, I can just write emp dot clear. Okay, so now I can say print after clear, I can just write emp. Okay, so now you can see the output, it is empty now. Okay, clear? Yeah, take it down. So these are the various
Yeah.
methods in which
Okay.
you can retrieve the elements from the dictionary dynamically.
Okay. Let me do.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, Mohan, please continue. Yeah.
All right. So now let's see comprehension. So comprehension. So first, let me write some part of code without using this concept. Okay, and then we will implement the comprehension. So that is, let me write sqr underscore list is equal to empty square brackets. That is, I have defined the empty list, and then I am saying for n in range of 1 comma 11, and then I'm saying SQR list dot append of n square. So now what will happen if I print this particular list? So what we have done here, we have just initialized an empty list. Then I am iterating through the numbers from 1 to 10, and then I'm finding the square of each and every number. And then I'm just appending to the list. So if you see the output, it will be like this. That is from 1 square to 10 square, right? So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square until 10 square, right? Consider I'm having some condition. That is, if n percentage 5 is equal to 0 or n percentage 3 is equal to 0, then perform this operation. That is, if the number is divisible by 5 or if it is divisible by 3, only then we need to find the square and then we need to add it to square list, right? So you can see the output now. That is 3 square, 5 square, 6 square, 9 square, 10 square. Okay. Now we are writing 4 different lines of code in order to achieve a single result. So now, using the concept of comprehension, I can achieve this in just a single line of code. How? Let's see that. First, let's see list comprehension. Okay, list comprehension. So list comprehension produces list as the output. So I'm placing the square brackets. And within the square brackets, first we should write the expression. That is, the output of the expression should be populated as an element in the list, followed by iteration, on which iterable object this expression needs to be evaluated. And then if there is any condition, I can place it at the end. Condition is optional, it is not mandatory. Okay, so now let's rewrite those 4 lines of code into a single line of code. Within a square brackets, first I am writing the expression. What is the element in the list? N square, right? N square for n in range of 1, 11. That's it. Okay, so now if I print this square LC, what will happen in this case? That is, it iterates from 1 to 10, and for everything square will be calculated. Okay, and for everything square will be calculated. That is, n square will be evaluated for all the numbers present in this iteration. Okay, so now you can see the output like this, 1 square to 10 square. Now if I want to add this condition, then I can add it at the end. If n percentage 5 is equal to 0 or n percentage 3 is equal to 0. So it is not, there is parenthesis is not at all required, simply I am writing. So whenever there is an condition, what will happen here is this expression will be evaluated for all the numbers present in this iteration only if this condition is satisfied. Okay, so now you can see the output 9, 25, 36, 81, 100, the same output. So we are writing everything in a single line, but over here we are writing 4 different lines of code. This is called comprehension. So comprehension means free form. Okay, it is nothing but brief form. Okay, so in place of expression, you can have any type of expression. Okay, you can have Boolean expression, you can have function call. Okay, you can have any type of expression actually. There is no this thing restriction. For example, if I want to generate a tuple, okay, I can just write n comma n square. So now what will happen? Each and every element is like 1 comma 1, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 9, like that it will be. Okay, so whatever expression that you have included, like that it will be. See here, 3 comma 9, 5 comma 25, 6 comma 36, 9 comma 81, 10 comma 100. Okay, so let me write it separately so that it will be clear, right? So let's write n comma n square. Okay, so now you can see 3 comma 9, 5 comma 25, 6 comma 36, 9 comma 81, 10 comma 100. Okay, so like this we can write any type of expression over here. Clear, Akhilesh?
Yeah, Mohan. So,
Yeah, take it down. Then we will see dictionary comprehension.
Mohan, can we go for again for this piece, row number 14? How the execution has been done
See,
for this?
execution is first it will go through the loop. Okay,
Okay,
that is for n in range of 1 comma 11. See,
right,
execution is
right.
same order, the same order.
Uh-huh.
Okay, but we are writing in a single line.
Single line.
It is in the
Okay,
same order
okay.
basically. That is first it will go through the loop, and
Mm-hmm.
then it will check this condition.
Correct.
Okay, and if this condition is satisfied,
Satisfied.
then
Yes.
this expression will be evaluated.
Okay, okay,
Otherwise, this expression will not be evaluated.
okay, okay. Got it.
Okay. Yep.
So it is another way of writing a for loop.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
We can use only for loop here. We can't use while.
So suppose for the first, so it will run for like 1 to 10
Yeah.
times, and
Mm.
the n asterisk asterisk 2 would be evaluated only when the condition would be true. So
Yes.
sqr list underscore lc variable, it will get
Uh,
overridden every time.
yes, it will be overwritten every time. See, only once it will be created, right? It's not like here. Here, each and every time it will be appended. Okay,
Yeah,
that is the
yeah.
advantage. That is the advantage. So here, only once it will be created.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Yes. So,
that is
give me a second. One, suppose 1% 5 equal to 0. Yes, it is true. So, n cross 2 would be true. So, sqr list underscore lc would be n 1, I mean 1, right? For the
one
first
will not be
condition.
there, right? One will not be there. No,
Uh,
it is the element which is divisible by three
okay,
or
okay, okay.
divisible by five.
Element.
That is 1% 5 is nothing but 1. Okay,
Yeah,
so
sorry,
three
sorry, sorry,
percentage
sorry.
3. Yeah.
Yeah. And recent 3 is again 1, so it will not be true. So only for 5 or 3, it will be true.
3, 5, 6, 9, 10.
6 also it is true, yes. So for these many iterations, this
Mhm.
n asterisk asterisk 2 would be
Yes,
run.
yes,
So, but
yes.
uh, because it is in parentheses, it is like list.
Mhm.
It will create a list, right? So what is
Yes,
the output?
exactly.
What,
Yeah.
can I see the output again?
It will be a list only.
Okay. List. Okay, got it. And how did it come? Can I see that code again? And then last one. N comma. Okay, N comma. Got it. Got it. Mohan.
Got it right?
Yeah, we can go ahead. I
Yeah.
just wanted to
Okay, so
understand.
next,
I
yeah,
did that
yeah,
one
yeah.
combine.
The next one is dictionary comprehension. So what is the dictionary comprehension? It's a key value pair, right? It's a key value pair. Okay. So what is the first change I have to do? Dictionary means it has to be enclosed in pair of curly braces. Okay, that is the first change I have to do. And then this expression should be in the form of key value pair. See, if you see this, okay, everything is in the form of key value pair. You can see here, right? That is key colon value. Okay, so I have to, this expression should be written key colon value. All right, so if I want to rewrite this particular to dictionary comprehension, I can write square underscore DC. Let's write like that. So first, what should I do is I have to change the square brackets to curly braces. Okay, like this. And then value is n square. And what is the key? Key is n. N colon n square. Got it? So key we need to decide, value we have to decide. Provided key should be unique within the dictionary. And value is nothing but some arithmetic expression or any evaluated expression. Okay, so now you can see the output like this: 3 colon 9, 5 colon 25, 6 colon 36, 9 colon 81, 10 colon 100. Got it? Akhilesh?
Yeah, Mohan.
Okay, yeah, take it down. So this is nothing but dictionary comprehension. So over
Okay.
here, you can have any type of expression. Okay, you can have Boolean expression, you can have function call also, anything you can have.
Okay. So basically, it is the single line. So it is for expression is for this n asterisk asterisk 2, not for n.
Yes.
Okay, got it. Got it.
Let me know once it is done. So that's it for today.
Yeah, it's done, Mohan. It's done, Mohan. Mine.
It's done, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So I will just upload these files.
Okay.
Where is that? Right. Right. So you can download it from this one. Okay.
All right.
LND Cloud. So you can provide a feedback for the session. Okay.
Correct. I'll do that.
Please enroll our general membership for $3.99 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $3.99 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.